Google Business Profiles. We all know how important these are to your business, and Sincro is here to help. The topic for our August webinar series will be Google Business Profiles and a workshop to help you get yours set up right. My name's Erin Zaborac, and I am so excited to be joined by our Google Whisperer, Colleen Harris, as she takes you through everything you need to know for Google Business Profiles. We will talk about how to set up, claim listings, how to nestle all those departments. We'll talk how GA4 can tie in those analytics, products, posts, what goes where, merchant center, vehicle listings, Q&A, reviews. I think that's everything, but we will want to hear from you too. Tell us what you want to know. We have time to answer all of your questions live on 2 sessions, August 24th or 25th. Join us for the next Sincro webinar and get your Google Business Profile in order.